So it's like basically going towards the top of a cliff. We've been traveling up a mountain almost. It's currently 3:10 p.m. We had a good 45 to 50 minutes sleep. We just woke up. We're going to be in this park till 7. So probably the name of the game is to go grab some tea and then go for a trail walk. And if we can do those both before 7 p.m., then at 7 we're going to go back home. You can see people are setting up their tents. You know, that's how it works. It's right around the lake, right? So everybody's given their own spot. Oh man, I kind of wish we could just kind of stay the entire evening, but everything must come to an end. That's Mohsin, I think you should check the blanket, but seems like this is wet. Two good things we learned from this. Always have the pad. So in this thing, there is always a pad that goes, which is only like $10-15. But you must have that. Why? Because right now this bottom area is all wet because the floor was all wet. So always have a pad and always have like 1 or 2 pairs of blankets extra. Sleeping bag, blankets, whatever it may be, always have that extra and make sure you have good pillows. That's all. I can tell you, you're gonna. We are here at Lake of Two Rivers. We got ourselves some nice looking muffins. These are just simple carrot muffins, nothing else in there. And some really good tea, really best orange tea. Amazing. The Two River Trails is a 2.1 loop featuring a pleasant walk through a young Algonquin forest and a fine view from a top of a cliff. Oh, so it's like basically going towards the top of a cliff. Please take a trail guide from one of the slides below. Where's the trail guide? I guess it's all empty. Yeah, it's empty. You may, okay. Yeah, that's fine. All right, let's go. By the way, if we get lost, we are screwed. This trail visits a cliff. Please keep children under control at all times. I think the good thing is, at least with these type of trails in Canada, in Ontario, they have marks. So you know where you're headed, where you're going. Right there, like you can see there's a blue mark here, but then on the next tree there's another blue mark. So basically they're guiding you. Alrighties. So we've been traveling, if I just want to show them that. We've been traveling up a mountain almost. We have traveled 600 meters. It's a 2.1 kilometer, so we still have like 1.5 kilometers to go. And we did that in about 10 minutes. So I reckon by 6 or 6:15 we would be probably at the end of the 2.1 kilometers. So yeah, we're just taking a few minutes break because as you can see, there's just a steep mountain cliff going up top. Technically, we thought we were halfway there. 30 minutes later, apparently that's our car. So we made a full 2.1 kilometers. We have made it to the Algonquin Visitor Center. Currently, it's closed, but I wanted to show you some beautiful views. Mansoor is checking it out, but look at the park. Wow. Is it closed? Mansoor, is it closed? Park Tower, okay, let's go check it out. So, this is the fire tower. Basically, the whole point of this tower is so they can see if there's any fire being detected is right there. You know, look at the view. Look at the view in here. See what much the entire park can be seen all across. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Fire tower cabins right there. Beautiful. And bench in case y'all just wanna take a seat. You know what I'm saying? Finally, we have made it to the east gate of whatchamacallit, Algonquin National Park. Some really beautiful souvenir behind me, or I guess kind of like a symbol. I think it's for indigenous people, I believe. If you want to just show them that, that's basically the east gate right there. So that basically symbolizes the end of the park. What we're going to do right now is just pray. It's time for Usher, so we're going to pray our Usher. And then after that, when the moment we are done, we're going to take a U-turn and go back home, just basically straight. By the time we're going to be there, hopefully we're going to be there by 10, 11, I hope, at nighttime. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Enjoyed the vlog. If you want to see more content like this, please let me know. This was just kind of a test to see if we can do it, and turns out we killed it. We really did. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.